Tornadoes are truly awe-inspiring, yet frightening phenomena that have captured human curiosity and interest for centuries. These spinning columns of air, which can range in size from a few meters to several kilometers wide, can cause widespread devastation in a matter of seconds. The violent winds within a tornado are capable of ripping buildings apart, uprooting trees, and hurling vehicles hundreds of feet into the air. However, despite their destructive potential, tornadoes remain poorly understood and challenging to predict. Studying tornadoes and their inner workings is crucial for improving our ability to forecast them and mitigate their impact on human life and property. Despite all the research and technology available, there's still so much we don't know about these twisting, turning monsters. What we do know is that a tornado is essentially a monstrous whirlwind, a spinning column of air that's in contact with the earth and the sky. It's like a giant vacuum cleaner, picking up everything in its path and hurling it around with frightening force. But how does it form? Why is it so destructive? These are questions that scientists are still working to answer. As the tornado begins to form, the air begins to rotate in a horizontal direction. This rotation is called a mesocyclone, and it can be up to 2 miles wide. As the mesocyclone gets stronger, the rotation becomes vertical, and a funnel cloud begins to form. The funnel cloud is the visible part of the tornado that you see. It's made up of water droplets and debris that are being sucked up into the vortex. Once the funnel cloud touches the ground, it becomes a tornado. The tornado's funnel-shaped vortex is filled with air that's rotating at breakneck speeds, and it's this rotation that causes the tornado's destructive power. As the tornado moves, it picks up anything in its path, from cars and trees to entire buildings. It's a terrifying force of nature that can't be stopped once it's in motion. But there are some people who chase tornadoes for a living. These storm chasers risk their lives to study these powerful storms up close. When you're inside a tornado, it's like being in the middle of a hurricane. The wind is so strong that it can pick up a car and toss it like a toy. It's a humbling experience to see the power of nature up close. The wind is so strong that it can lift entire houses from their foundations, leaving nothing but destruction in its wake. As you struggle to stay on your feet, you see cars flying through the air like toys, smashing into buildings and each other with sickening crashes. Trees are uprooted and thrown like matchsticks, their roots flailing widely in the air. The sky is dark, and the wind is relentless, pushing against you with such force that it feels like it's trying to rip you apart. This is the power of nature at its most terrifying, a force that can level entire cities and leave nothing but destruction in its wake. It's a humbling experience that reminds us of just how small and insignificant we truly are in the face of the immense power of the natural world. While storm chasing can be dangerous, it's also given us valuable insights into the structure of tornadoes and how they form. Eventually, all tornadoes run out of energy and dissipate. But the destruction they leave behind can last for years. It's a terrifying force of nature that we can't fully understand, but we can respect. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this one.